Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. So if you've read my blog post, you know that I have created a Google Doc workout schedule for myself. So I'm going to show you how to make one of your own today. It's really easy. If you've used Google Docs before, again, it's very similar to Microsoft Word. The functionalities are very similar, so you could probably do this on Microsoft Word also. But I feel that Google has a leg up on Microsoft with linking things and stuff like that. So again, I am in no way endorsed by Google. They don't pay me for this. I just enjoy their products and the functionality, and it makes my life easier. So here we go. So here is my Google Doc workout schedule. So you can see I have Sunday through Saturday, but I don't do typical workouts on the weekend. I give my body a rest and I'm outside walking the dog or doing other things. So I leave those blank for myself, but you certainly can do whatever you see fit. So all I do is break the week down into what kinds of workouts I want to do. So that's what this top section is here. And then I just click on the workout I want to do, and then it takes me right to it. So it's pretty simple, but it really helps me stay organized, and it makes my workouts easier and better every morning. So if you've never used Google Docs or you're not sure how to create this, that's what I'm going to show you next. So if you are familiar with Google Docs and creating a table and linking things, the last part of this video isn't for you, but if you want to learn how to make this and you've never done it, stick with me and I'll show you how. So if you go to the Google Docs home screen, you're going to click on the blank sheet with the plus sign. So we're going to create a new document, and it'll bring you here. So I like to set the page up landscape rather than portrait, just because of the size of the chart we're going to make. So you click on File and click on Page Setup, and we're going to make this landscape. Next, we're going to insert a table. So we come up here to Insert, Table, and we need 7 days, and then you can do however many weeks you want. So you're going to need a header, so that's one row, and then another row for the type of workouts you want, and then however many weeks you'd like to do. So there's your table. So then you would fill in the days, and you can use the tab key to get you to the next box, or you can also use the arrow key. So you can use your arrow keys to go down and move around. If you want to format this a little bit, so you saw on mine, I had everything centered and the days were in bold. So to make everything bold, you just click on the B for bold. And then to make it centered, these icons up here, this is center aligned. So then you can figure out what workout you'd like to do. So I'm going to do a cardio workout, we'll say. And I'm actually just going to go to mine and we'll borrow this one. So this is a standing cardio video that I love. So you're simply going to click the link, and then Control C is copy. Then you're going to highlight, so you can double tap on the word, and this little chain link icon here where it says insert link, you click that, and then Control V is paste, and then click apply, and now you have your link. So let me show you. So now it's highlighted. It changed the text to blue and it's underlined, so that's how you know that you created a link. So if you click on it, there's your video, and then you just click one more time and it'll take you to YouTube. So that's really it. So if you find online workout videos that you love, this is a great way to keep yourself organized and to keep all your favorites in one place so that you can go back to them whenever you'd like. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you found this useful and that it helps you organize and maximize your time. Thanks so much.